BlackSmith safes. Now, normally they make pistol safes, small stuff that goes underneath your bed or in your cabinet or whatnot, ready for quick access. But now they've started making these larger safes here that are still compact in nature. They can still be shipped to your house. You can still move them around, kind of. Oh, this one's pretty heavy. But they're not going to be as robust or as crazy to deal with as one of those big, huge safes that takes up half your living room. But these are better than like a gun cabinet. And they are still electronic. You have a code, a key code here. The default one, I think, is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, okay. There we go. And you can close it. And you can also use your thumbprint. Oh, I've got the wrong hand there. There we go. I've not put my left hand in there yet, so my right hand can open this safe. My left hand can't be trusted. Inside here you have room for 5 rifles, which I'm not going to be using this for all my rifles because I have... Shut up, ATF. I'm not going to tell you how many guns I have, but I have more than 5. I'll be using this to store away my short barrel rifle and my suppressors and keep them away from people that are not listed on my trust when I or someone that's on my trust is not at home, but other people are. So it's got plenty of room for rifles here. Here's my dissipator I can put in there if I wanted to. And my short barrel rifle here. Now it also has a shelf up here that's removable, so you can put some big, huge, long hunting rifles in there if you want to. Got some big pins on it too, those suckers. Those big old pins there. And I'm gonna throw my documents, my 22 suppressors in there, and my snacks for later. Put those in there as well. The door also has these handy little pockets for all of your Soviet pistol needs. The reason why I need to lock up my NFA items is because sometimes I'm not at home when someone else is at my house. And if I have my short barrel rifle in my house or one of my suppressors in my house and they're not locked up, then the ATF considers that a transfer. And you cannot transfer a short barrel rifle or suppressor without going through a dealer, a class 3 firearms dealer, to do that transfer. Here is the real life and hilarious scenario of why I need to lock up all my NFA items in this safe. Every now and again, I go on vacation. I'm gone for a week, sometimes 2 weeks at a time. Rarely, but it does happen. And when I'm gone, I have many animals at my house, which is also where I typically have a short barrel rifle and my suppressors located. Well, the person who comes into my house, they are not listed on my trust. They're not listed as ownership of any of these NFA items. What's hilarious is that, we'll call him Big D. Big D is in the Air Force. My tax dollars not only pay his salary, but have bought him a beautiful M4 fully automatic machine gun. Yet, he cannot be trusted around my Anderson Manufacturing short barrel rifle. He cannot be trusted around my Silencer Co. Octane 45. He cannot be trusted around those, but he can be trusted around multi-million dollars, even billion-dollar machines. And of course, a fully automatic M4 at his ready at all times. So that he can be trusted with, but not a Silencer Co. hybrid. Bear in mind, just owning an NFA item, a suppressor, a short barrel rifle, or a machine gun, it does not give the ATF the right to just come into your house and inspect your storage or inspect your collection. They cannot do that by just having an NFA item in your possession legally. But if you decide to go with the FFL route, the CNR FFL or a normal FFL, then that does give them the right to do that. The ATF can come in and inspect your collection, inspect your paperwork, inspect your bound book. If you're an FFL, you know what a bound book is. They can inspect that at any time and place, and they will. And again, a huge thank you to BlackSmith Safe. Super, super convenient. You can get in with your thumb or any kind of fingerprint. You can also put in a code, and if the battery dies inside, you can use a key or put up a battery pack right there. You can plug in a battery pack and energize the whole thing just in case. There we go. I was going to put my left hand in there because, again, my left hand cannot be trusted. You guys have a great day. See ya.